Greetings, Polar Express passengers. I am seeking passengers Gilbert, Ethan, and Sophia. Could Gilbert, Ethan, and Sophia acknowledge their presence by raising their hand? Aha! You're Gilbert, Ethan, and Sophia? I see. It says here, no photo with the department store Santa this year, no letter to Santa, and you need to make someone else put out the milk and cookies. Sounds to me like this is your crucial year. Were you issued golden tickets? Can you hold them up for me, please? Thank you. Now, how about the rest of you? If you are here for the 8:20 departure of the Polar Express, I need to see your golden tickets. Golden ticket time in the air, please. I have a question for all of you, including Gilbert, Ethan, and Sophia. Are you coming? Come on, I have a schedule to keep. I asked, are you coming? Yeah! Well then, all aboard the Polar Express!
Show me your tickets. Hi, welcome.
It's a little like a stand-up screen that I can
Attention Polar Express passengers. May I have your attention, please? This is your conductor speaking. On behalf of myself and our entire Southern California crew, we would like to say, welcome aboard the Polar Express! It is clear to me that you have arrived today for your journey at the perfect moment. Since your boarding, our stewards have personally stamped your golden tickets. I would like for each of you to now hold that ticket up and in front of you, like this. Passengers, look carefully at the stamp on your ticket. This stamp was chosen just for you. It stands for something that we hope you learned today on your trip. It stands for something that is to be carried with you after your journey is complete. You see, passengers of the Polar Express, you have boarded today for one very important reason. This is your crucial year. So, I would keep those tickets in a very safe place if I were you. And I look forward to coming through your car very soon to see them. And one more thing. I would like to take this moment to congratulate each of you for climbing aboard and joining us on this very special journey, where a change of heart just might occur. See, one thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Express passengers, this is your conductor speaking. I apologize for this unscheduled stop. I am heading outside to see what is causing the delay. As you know, we are on a very tight schedule. Smokey! Steamer! Why have we stopped? Caribou crossing. Caribou! Take the herd out to be at least 100,000, maybe even a million. What does it look like? This is some serious jelly. We need to clear those caribou off the track now. There can be no Christmas without the Polar Express arriving on time. And I'm the only one who understands that. Attention crew. We need help from the passengers to clear this caribou herd off the track. We are on a very tight schedule.
Okay, everyone, we need your help. Say it with us. Clear those caribou off the track. 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 Clear those caribou.
Attention passengers, I need to say one thing more. Thank you.
Thank you. Such a relief. I know. Because of you, I was getting nervous there for a second.
Let me ask all of you who can see me. Raise your hand if you can hear my bell. Hardly anyone hears it. I hold on tight to those golden tickets. This is your crucial year.
Young man, why aren't you in your seat?
I'm talking to the kid in the Polar Express.
Who?
That guy right there. Can't you see him?
I don't see anyone. And I don't hear anything. I think there's something. It's the sound of a ringing bell.
You can hear the bell?
I need you to please take your seat. Thank you.
Polar Express passengers, this is your conductor speaking with an update on our journey. We have successfully navigated this sled around a herd of caribou, through Glacier Gulch, over a frozen lake, and we just crossed it! Latitude 66 degrees, 33 minutes north.
The Arctic Circle!
The Arctic Circle.
I knew that.
It is from this location that, if we are lucky, we will be able to see one of nature's most beautiful spectacles.
Aurora Borealis!
The Northern Lights.
So to clarify, the Northern Lights are also known as Aurora Borealis.
Thank you.
You bet! The Northern Lights are a spectacular natural light display in the Earth's sky seen in high regions.
But only on very cold and very clear and very special nights.
And it looks like it's going to be one of those very special nights.
It is?
Passengers, for your astonishment, the Polar Express presents the Northern